The workshop will target leaders of various organizations who work with vulnerable groups who may have come into contact with harmful drugs. Sylvia Court, Project Director of the Drug Demand Reduction Services within the Ministry of Public Health, explained.
What we are attempting to do here over the next 5 days is to give agencies, persons working in those agencies who come into contact with young people, to give them the requisite skills so that they can be able to more or less nurture them, to work along with them, and to help them to make the right kinds of decisions.
Court is calling on more organizations to work collaboratively when it comes to preventing drug use among the youth population.
No one person can do it, no one agency can do it. And so that is why we're coming together as a unit, that we can come with a united front to confront the problem of drug misuse.
Commenting on the alarming increase in the prevalence of drug use among the youth population, the project director said there have been reports of the availability of new recreational drugs on the market, which has resulted in increased misuse.
There is an upsurge and there is a problem with young people misusing all types of substances, whether it be prescription, whether it be, we know that they're misusing prescription drugs, they're mixing it with different other things, they're misusing solvents. Some young people are even sniffing gasoline. So there's an upsurge. There's also an upsurge in them using ecstasy. And there's a new one on the market, Malay, I think that's a new one.
Earlier this year, the establishment of a drug treatment court within the latter part of 2019 was announced. The pilot project will be an adult treatment court utilizing a post-adjudicating model and facilitated by the Georgetown Magistrates Court. The opening of the drug treatment court will see less persons being incarcerated on drug charges. Meanwhile, the 5-day workshop is being hosted in the boardroom of the Ghana Red Cross Society in Kingston, Georgetown. For the HGP Nightly News, Colwyn Abrams.